Hello friends! Happy February 2022. And what does that mean again? Maliban sa Chinese New Year? Yes. Ito yung time na kailangan mo na mag-book ng hotel kasi magkakapunuan na sa 14. OMG, my innocent mind. Hindi nga ba, Valentine's na mga friends? And it's also the prelude to a beautiful, hot Philippine summer just like where I'm from right now. Where my mind is nga pala. Pero en realidad, here's yours truly, stuck in the concrete jungle, chasing dreams just like you, and trying out new things. Having said that, ano ang gusto mong subukan ngayong 2022, my friend? Personally, ako simple lang. To try to effect change in the society in the simplest way I can. Naks. And of course, to try something close to home. Literally and figuratively. Gaya nito. It says triple cheese. Wow. Wow. Still hot. Mainit-init pa. Speaking of toasted siopao mga friends, saan nyo natikman yung pinakamasarap na toasted siopao sa Pilipinas? Comment your answers below. And let's proceed to rate and rank all the foods that we just ate today on this vid. Next clip. Number 1 on the rank at 9/10 is the Pichi-Pichi. Apparently, masarap, creamy, cheesy, and very light and affordable too. On the second spot is the Siopao tostado with a rank of 8/10. Bakit? Dahil malinamnam, hindi mabigat sa tiyan. Pero yun lang, medyo naalatan ako ng konti. But still good though, quite honestly. Pangatlo is the triple cheese donut with a rating of 7/10. Quite understandable for me dahil hindi ako mahilig sa malalaking donuts, let alone traditional donuts like these ones. But kung susundin lang yung preparation or instructions like what I did, it's the bomb. That, my friends, is our episode for today. Like I always say, support our local eateries and food stalls because at the end of the day, walang ibang tutulong sa Pilipino kundi kapwa Pilipino rin. Please subscribe for more episodes coming. Ciao!